Ito yung mga barya dito. Iwagay yun 1993. Dito 25. Next 25 centimo 1993. Ito yung 1993 number. Nacha 1993. Next 1994. Yan. So, na ito yung 1994. Wawa siya 1999. 1995. Wawa yung 2003 na to. Ito yung 1995 to 2005. Number 1997, 1998, 99, 2000, 2001, tapos 2003. I Hard to Find. First 1995. I Hard to Find dyan. Next 1996. AU Condition natin. Yun bago. 1996. 2002. I Wear. Yun 25 centimo. Yun 2001. Ito yun silver. Next 2004. And dito yun Hard to Find. Yun 2004. Meron dyan yun 2004. Bagon. Dyan yun 2004. And ito. And was yun 2005. Nato yun Hard to Find dyan. Ito yung semi Hard to Find 2005. At siya meron guys yung buyer 25 centimo 2006. Yung mga Hard to Find dyan. Yung mga Hard to Find 2006. Yung may tumawa gawin natin yung 2006 to 2025. Ito Hard to Find. Hard to Find dyan. Wawan yung 2008. O yung Hard to Find dyan. Wawan yung 2008. At siya wawan yung 2010. And ito yung 2017. I Hard to Find dyan. I Hard to Find. Tapos ang 2006 ay barya natin yung 2006. Yung Hard to Find dyan. Hard to Find 2017 25 centimo. At siya yung 2006 na to Hard to Find. Where yung Hard to Find. Sa Hard to Find dyan yung 25 centimo 2006. Nato yung BSP. Ang bawan yung 2005, 2006, at saka 2008. I-Hard to Find dyan. Yung 3. Yung semi-Hard to Find. Yung 2006, 2007, at 2008. Ay, 2006 ay buyer dyan. Yung 2005. And pwede. Isang ito ay uwet. Ito dyan yung 2006. Ito yung NGC. Yung Sagabe. NGC. Sa NGC coins. Sa afternoon. Ito BSP. Yan. NGC coins. Wagay. Yung NGC coins. And goodbye. Bye. So much. Na here. Ibigan yung 10 centimo. With picture 10 centavo. Ito yung 10 centavos. I Hard to Find dyan. Yun, tumawaw dyan. Wagay. Yun, commemorative Marvin. Oh, that's wrong. How to find yung converted coins? Ibigay natin yung Asian 50. Tapos 10 peso 2013. At commemorative coins, yung 150 taon ang pwede. Ang pwede dyan yung 2006. 5 centimo picture. Try picture natin 5 centimo. Let's try picture. And 5 centimo. 5 centimo. 1 centimo. Hard na hanapin yung 19 yung BSP series. Hanapin yung 2005, 1996, tapos 2010. Ay hard to find yung 2017. Hard to find yung 5 centimo 2017 at yung 1 centimo. Ayan. BSP. So, here's him. BSP dyan. And ito, tumawaw dyan. Yan, BSP. Tapos NGC. And ito, in BSP and NGC coins. Ito, September 19. So yet tomorrow at September 20. Let's check calendar. Let's see what check photos. No. Calendar. We see this hand here. So it's September 20. There, September 22. Tomorrow. So this one old coins. Goodbye.